Metal roof snow sliding off dangerously is a serious hazard you do not want to ignore if you live somewhere that gets heavy snow. So, here's the thing about keeping snow from sliding off your metal roof like a giant icy avalanche. First, you want to install snow guards or snow rails. These little guys break up the snow and hold it in place so it melts slowly instead of crashing down all at once. Make sure you get snow guards that actually fit your roof style because not all metal roofs are the same. Also, check with a local pro to figure out the best spots for these guards so they do their job without messing with your roof's look or function. Another tip is to keep your gutters clean and clear because blocked gutters can cause ice dams that make the sliding worse. Remember, it is super important to have a solid roof inspection before putting anything on your roof so you know it can handle the extra hardware. If you notice any damage or rust, fix that first, or else the snow guards won't stick well. Lastly, avoid DIY unless you really know what you are doing. A slip off a metal roof is no joke. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal roof snow sliding problems is not installing enough snow guards, which leads to uneven snow retention and still dangerous slides. The fix? Make sure to use enough guards spaced properly, usually about every 2 feet, but check with experts. Another common issue is picking the wrong type of snow guard for your specific metal roof style. This can cause damage or not work right, so always match the guard to your roof's material and shape. Third, many folks forget about maintenance. If snow guards get bent or loose, they won't help much. So, regularly check them, especially after storms, and tighten or replace as needed to keep everything safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with metal roofs and snow guard installation. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with people looking for help on big home projects, making it easier to get work and show off their skills.